Mastering mindset. How to overcome limiting beliefs. Hey, welcome back to the Affluent Self. If you're new here, this is where growth and transformation happens, and this channel is all about helping you create a life of success, fulfillment, and personal growth. In today's video, we will dive into one of the most powerful aspects of your personal journey: mastering your mindset and overcoming limiting beliefs. These beliefs can hold you back, but I'm here to show you how to break free and unlock your full potential. So what are limiting beliefs? Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts, assumptions, or attitudes that you hold about yourself, your capabilities, or the world around you. They are often deeply ingrained and can shape how you see yourself and the opportunities that are available to you. These beliefs might sound something like, "I'm not good enough. I'll never be successful. I'm just not capable of achieving that goal. Success is for others, not for me." These beliefs create invisible barriers, preventing us from even trying to reach for what we truly want. But here's the thing. These beliefs are not facts, they're just thoughts. And the good news is, you have the power to change them. How can limiting beliefs hold us back? Limiting beliefs limit your actions, your potential, and the way you approach challenges. They trap you in a cycle of fear, self-doubt, and procrastination. For example, if you believe you're not capable of succeeding, you might avoid taking risks or making bold moves because you're convinced you'll fail. The real kicker here is that these beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or things people have told us, things that are not true about who we are today. When you constantly tell yourself that you can't do something, guess what? You start believing it, and as you believe it, you act according to that belief, which creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. The power of mindset. Now, let's talk about the flip side. The power of a positive, empowering mindset. Mindset is everything when it comes to success. What you believe shapes what you see, what you do, and ultimately, what you achieve. Here's the thing. People who master their mindset are able to achieve extraordinary things, not because they're perfect, but because they believe they can overcome obstacles, grow, and improve. They embrace failure as part of the process, not as proof that they're not good enough. So, if we can shift our mindset from one of limitation to one of possibility, everything changes. But how do we actually do that? Step 1. Recognize your limiting beliefs. The first step is awareness. You need to recognize when you're thinking with a limiting belief. Pay attention to the negative thoughts or phrases you tell yourself regularly. Here are some common examples. "I'm not qualified enough. There's too much competition. I'll never be as successful as them." Start journaling your thoughts. This will help you uncover patterns. By identifying the beliefs that hold you back, you can start challenging them. Step 2. Challenge those beliefs. Once you recognize your limiting beliefs, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief actually true? What evidence do I have to support this belief? What if the opposite were true? Who am I becoming by believing this? For example, if you believe you're not qualified for a job, challenge that by looking at your skills, experiences, and past accomplishments. You'll likely see that you're more than capable. This is where you start to reframe the negative thought into a more empowering one. Step 3. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering beliefs. The next step is replacing those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, instead of "I'm not good enough," try reframing it to "I am constantly growing and improving." Or, instead of "I'll never be successful," try "Success is a journey, and every step I take brings me closer to my goals." These new beliefs will begin to shape your thoughts and actions in a more positive direction. The key is consistency. Repeat these empowering beliefs to yourself daily, whether through affirmations, visualization, or journaling. Over time, these new beliefs will replace the old ones. Step 4. Take action. Action is where the real magic happens. You can have all the empowering beliefs in the world, but if you don't take action, they won't amount to much. Start small. Take a step every day toward your goals, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Every small action you take is a victory and reinforces the new empowering belief that you can and will succeed. This builds momentum and helps you break free from the grip of those old limiting beliefs. To wrap it up, remember, your beliefs shape your reality. If you want to create a life of success, fulfillment, and abundance, it's essential to identify, challenge, and replace your limiting beliefs with ones that empower you to take bold actions. You have everything you need within you to succeed. It's just a matter of mastering your mindset and trusting the process. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to The Affluent Self for more tips on personal growth, motivation, and creating the life you deserve. Let me know in the comments, what limiting belief are you ready to overcome today? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.